Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the first unit. Now, we are going to be looking into the Google Classroom, and then you will find the document in the Google Classroom. Once you are logged into Google Classroom, you may look into the stream or the classwork, so either one of them. Now, in the classwork, you may look into the first unit, U1 paper airplane. Now, once you open up the document, now the document will show you what are our goals and the expectation, which is the rubric. So please be reminded, you need to look into the rubric so that it is what we are expecting you to answer. Now, let's start. Now, the first one that we need to look into is the resource link. Now, the resource link has a lot of information that you can use. Now, the first criterion or the first trend that I want you to look into is to find an existing product of an paper airplane. Now, for this one, I want you to have at least 2 existing paper airplane and then that you want to investigate. Now, this 2 design can be made later on. Now, afterwards, you are going to give an outline, a description of the main features. So at least maybe 2 features of the paper airplane. Okay, so why is it a good design? Okay, why is it a good design? Now, and give the resource link. So all of these text box, okay, need to be answered. So what you need to do, open up a resource link. Now in the resource link, you can choose a design that you like to investigate, okay? Now, for example, Chinook, okay? So here, when I open up, okay, so I'll read a bit. So read on the instruction on how to make them. Okay, look, it looks okay, looks fine. Now, so what I need to do is you copy the image, then you may paste the image here. Okay, paste the image here. So it will start to, it will paste it here. Now, I need the resource link. So here, you copy the resource link, then paste it here. Now, I want you to describe 2 of the main features. Okay, so maybe you may say that this, okay, maybe read the instruction, okay, read the instruction and then describe what you think is a good design. So when you look at the design, it looks, for example, this airplane looks easy to make, and the feature, okay, the feature of the airplane is elongated. Okay, so you may continue on how to answer this. Write another one. So at least 2 of the feature of the airplane. So just describe it to me. So the next column, you need to find another one. So you can go back and then maybe you can find another example. Okay, so maybe this one. Okay, just copy it again and then paste it. Okay, the same way as here. Okay, and then paste that and then just describe it again. Okay, now afterwards, you are going to go to the second strand, which is B4. What you need to do is to draw, okay, draw a diagram of an paper airplane that you think you want to be working on, okay? So here is an example. Once So in class, I will be giving you a piece of paper that you are going to make a drawing of the paper airplane that you're going to make, okay? Now, what you need to do is just make a drawing. Maybe you can use color and a label on what is the structure. Now, once you are done, you can put the picture of your paper airplane drawing. Okay, paper airplane drawing. Now, once you are done doing that, in this section, okay, you are going to be making them. So how are you going to make them? So in this one, I would like you to take photographs or screenshot of your product. Now, in C2, once you are going to start step by step. So maybe you can step on step 1. So step 1, fold. Okay, fold. Now you may upload a photo using your camera on your computer or your cell phone. You can just drag and drop. Now, in Google Docs, you can input or you can upload a photo. So by the insert, and then there's image, then insert image, then camera. Now in the camera, you can see here there's 2 cameras. Now you may just hold it and then take a photo and then insert. Okay, so that's step 1. Maybe you can write step 1. Okay, step 1. And then step 2, you want to fold in 2. Okay, so 2, step 2. Now another one, insert image, and then camera again. Now like this, you can hide your face again. And then make sure that you click this one and insert. Okay, until you finish up the paper airplane that you're going to make. Okay, now for in class, we are going to be testing 2 models. This is your own design, okay, your design airplane. And then this one is in class. There's in your group, you just choose 2 airplane that you want to try. So you need to fly it in 5 times or 5 times. Now, here you need to make sure that the you know the type of paper airplane. So how do you know that? So there would be the name of the paper airplane. So for example, the type, maybe you can write a standard paper airplane, the Manta Ray. Okay, so you copy that one and then can paste that. Okay, so those are the same. Okay, now the maximum distance when you fly them, okay, the distance flying them, so you have to have a measurement from start to end. Okay, and then also average, so just average them. So here you are going to write down how your design, okay, this design is good or bad. Okay, how it works well. Okay, you will do that the same thing. And then later on, we will going to answer this one. Okay, this 1, 2, and 3 questions. And then number 4 is, what are 2 ways you want to change? Maybe you want to change the material, or you want to change the structure of the paper. Okay, paper airplane. Now, afterwards, you can turn in and then just submit. Okay, that's it.